I think I became interested in mechanical engineering as at school I was good at maths and physics, and it was just something that my teachers suggested I look into. So for my postgraduate study I chose Sheffield University as there was a wide range of courses available, and the one that I picked, additive manufacturing, really stood out to me as something a little bit different and something that I really like to try. I think I particularly enjoy that it's quite hands-on, so we do lots of work in the lab and lots of practical work, so with my project. I also enjoy that it's something a little bit different, that it's quite a new course, so it's not really available at many places, and it feels really like you're on the cutting edge and you're doing things that will make a difference to the future. Being a postgraduate here, a typical week would be attending lectures, but also working on my project. So for my thesis at the end of the year, I have quite a big project to do, which is worth over half of my course. So I spent a lot of my week is spent in the lab, working on that, writing up, and also just enjoying Sheffield. My favourite thing about being in Sheffield would have to be its location. I really enjoy going out to the peaks, going mountain biking and walking, and also there's loads of places to go climbing around here as well. So that's what I love about Sheffield. So for my project at the moment, I'm working on a new type of 3D printing. So it's called High Speed Sintering. High Speed Sintering was designed as a new type of 3D printing where things could be printed faster. So it would be a replacement for more traditional manufacturing like injection moulding. So it would be make more intricate, more complicated designs a lot quicker. I think if you're thinking about it, I would definitely say go for it. Sheffield has loads of courses in lots of different areas, which is something that really appealed to me. And also just Sheffield is a lovely city. Its location is great and the people are lovely. I would sum up Sheffield in one word as future, as what I'm doing is building towards my future, and also what I'm working on is really the future of manufacturing.